Hey guys, welcome back to Big Giant Tech. Now, if this is your first time watching my YouTube channel, please hit the subscribe button, like, share, and comment my YouTube videos. Now, I want to show you guys how to remove this dangerous site or deceptive site ahead. Now, this is usually um, displayed by Google, ensuring safe browsing. Now, this happens depending on the type of website you're designing, but most times website that has PTC, also that has investment websites, also that collect user data, usually shows up to have a dangerous site, which is ensuring Google to ensure that this site is dangerous because it has not been cleared by Google. On the other hand, this might also shows if users are constantly reporting your website, if you're doing or having any illegal activities. Now this also will show. Now it comes in both ways now, but how to remove this, because this is displayed by Google, you get it. So how to remove this is very easy. I will show you guys in 2 steps. All right, now go to your cPanel, which is your hosting environment. So go to File Manager. So what next is come to public_HTML. Now this is where I have my files. Now this is where your files will be displayed. All what you just have to do is we need to verify this with Google. Now this will help you index your site on Google search engine, which is very, very important because Google is one of the biggest search engines in the world currently. So what next is, let me go to a new tab, open Google Search Console on your browser. Once you come to Google Search Console, click on Google Search Console. It takes you to this section. Ensure you are signed into Google on your browser. Then I'll click on Start Now. So once you click on Start Now, it takes you to this section. We have for domain and URL prefix. So I'll always suggest URL prefix. So we're going with URL prefix. Now all what you just need to do is come to your domain here. Now this takes 24 hours, within 24 hours to be cleared. So I'll just come here and paste my domain. Ensure it comes with a slash behind it. Now this is how it works. Once you put your domain here, then click on continue. Good. Now it takes you to this section, verify ownership of your domain name if you're the one. You get it. If you're building it for a client, it's very easy. And we have 2 ways I'll show you guys how to verify. The very first one is with HTML file. Now this HTML file is you downloading this file to your system. Let me download this to my PC. Now we have to upload this in our public_HTML or where we have our files. If you're using an add-on domain, just put it in the add-on domain section. But I want to show you something first. Before we come to this section, go down. We have domain name provider. You can come with Google Tag Manager, but this will be tedious for those who are not used to coding. So just in case, most times if you're installing with .html file, if you're trying to verify with this, most times wouldn't work. It show you not verified. The next thing you do is come to domain name provider. This is what you do. You copy your txt file, then go to your hosting environment. So I'm show you guys the 2 ways you can do this. This is the first one. If you're using the domain name provider, okay, copy this information, which is your txt record, then go to your hosting environment. Let's say it should be located in zone editor. Now this is the domain. I'll click on manage this. Now you can see just come to txt. Now this is the txt of my own domain. If you're using any domain or you're using hpanel, which is Hostinger, just go to your domain provider section. So if you're using hpanel, anywhere you purchase your domain from, as long as you link it to an hosting, go to that hosting section. Just locate your domain, zone editor, zone or dynamics editor for your domain name. then you're able to see your txt. Now this is txt section. Once you come to edit here, click on edit. Now what I usually do most times is you don't need to delete this section, then you just add what you copy from Google and paste it here, or you just copy this, put this second and go to Google section and copy this and put it first, okay, rather than deleting everything. You get it? So this is how I do my own. Or you could just X this section and just leave only the Google, but the Google site verification must be above the very first one, so you can do it both ways. Now this, after you've done this, click on save. Once you come to save, click on verify. It takes it to the next section. So the next section here we have downloaded, which is the HTML file. This is the second section, how to verify. So once you download this, I won't save it because I'm not doing this. Let me cancel. So go back to your file manager. Let me go back again. Now if you're using an add-on domain, come to your add-on domain, just paste it in your add-on domain like this. Now come back here, and if you're using your public underscore HTML, so it's still the same process for you guys to understand. Let me go to upload. So let me select my file. So this is my file, the file we downloaded. So I'll just drag and drop here. So I'll just exit section, the reload here. Remember I have one, I've already downloaded this before, so I'll just right click and rename. Then remove this to good. I'll click rename file. But if you have not done this before, or you have not saved anything like this before, it won't show you rename file. Okay, that is if you have multiple domain verification on your Google Search Console. So we've done this. Let me go back to my domain name and click on verify. As you can see, HTML file could not find your site. Please check that you provide the correct URL for your property. Now if you do this normally, it goes straight up. Okay, it goes straight up without any issues. So I'm just trying to show you guys what you get most time if this is not working. So I'll go back again. Just go down to your domain name provider, copy this, and go to zone editor, just in case that part did not work. So I just want to show you guys something. Once you click on edit here, what I did the very first time, copy this and paste here. Then you copy this and paste. Then I'll click save record. So as you can see, once you come back here again, it's still the same process. Now why this is not working, my domain has expired. Okay, but just showing you guys how it works basically. Okay, how it works. My domain has expired, so I'm just trying to show you how you can be able to do this. But let's make this work perfectly. So let me go back here. So let me go back to my add-on domain I have. So let me just go to upload again and put this here. Now I've uploaded this already because it's the same file you get by using Google. So what I will do now is I'll exit section. Let me copy this, my add-on domain. So let me remove property. Remove. Then let me do this again using my add-on domain. Okay. Good. Once I click continue, I think I've verified this before. Now it's checking verification. Remember I've uploaded. Let me just reload this section here and rename this. Then rename file. You can see it takes us to this section. And once you download this, which I've done already, I'll click on verify. So this is what it shows you. So I'm just showing you guys how it works. In case one did not work, you do the second version, which is the domain name provider. So basically this works perfectly. Now you click on go to property. Now this is how it works. So if for instance what we did shows that same section, and how to do that. So once you verify it normally, it shows you this section. Let me just go to overview. So this is what you get. You get to see security issues the moment you verify your domain. The next section will take you to this section here. Then once you reload, once you verify, you exit your Google Search Console. Just remove the page and reload the section again and enter your Google Search Console. It shows you this section here, which comes through to the third section, how to fix this. So just click on full reports. As you can see, it shows you this section. Then you click on request review. Now you click on request review, then click on all issues were fixed. Now this is what you do. Do not add any personal information, do not add your email, do not add anything personal, just go straight to the point. Now what I want to do is do not copy and paste. Ensure you're typing this, do not copy and paste. Ensure you rephrase the words. So let me just say capital letter, I have ensured to remove and clean my website from all forms of deceptive and malicious code, comma, you get it. My website is free and safe for use because it's for educational and learning purposes. Please allow my website to run smoothly. So this is what you do. After you've done this, just click on submit request. Okay, so once you click on submit request, do not do this again. Then it just show you message request sent. Just leave it for 24 hours, or within 24 hours it will be cleared and you get a notification that your website has been reviewed successfully. So guys, basically this is how you edit and you are able to remove the deceptive or dangerous sites ahead on your website, so keep it safe and user friendly. If you like this video guys, please hit the subscribe button, like, share and comment on the channel. See you guys in the next video. Thank you.